Welcome to MedTalk AI, the smarter way to document patient care. In this video, we're going to show you how to create your own custom template. With this feature, you can define exactly what sections appear in your clinical notes, how they're formatted, and what gets captured, all powered by AI. Let's get started. From your MedTalk dashboard, head to the template library in the left side menu. This is your central hub. All your private templates live here, along with any public templates shared by the MedTalk community. To create your own, click Create Template in the top right corner. A dialog will open with a few simple fields to fill in. Start with your template name, for example, GP Consultation Note or Dermatology Follow-up. Next, select your medical speciality from the drop-down. This helps MedTalk categorize your template correctly. Then choose your visibility. Set it to private if this template is just for you, or public if you'd like to share it with the MedTalk community. We recommend starting with private while you refine it. Now, for the most powerful part, the template structure. In this text area, you tell MedTalk AI exactly what your note should look like. List your sections in order, describe what each one should capture, and specify your preferred format: headings, bullet points, numbered list, or prose. The more specific you are, the better your output. Tell MedTalk what to include, and importantly, what to leave out if it's not mentioned in the recording. Not sure where to start? Check out the ready-made templates on the right. You can preview any of them: SOAP note, nursing handover, discharge summary, and load them directly into your form with one click. Once you're happy with your structure, hit Create Template. MedTalk AI will process your instructions and open a new dialog showing you two things: an example output and the underlying structure. The Example tab shows you exactly what a completed note will look like. The Structure tab shows the underlying schema. If anything doesn't look quite right, you don't need to start over. Just type what you'd like to change. For example, add a medication section after history, or make the assessment more concise. MedTalk AI updates your template structure instantly. You can keep refining until it's exactly the way you want. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your template is now ready to use. You'll find it in your template library under your private templates. Start any consultation, select your custom template, and MedTalk AI will generate a fully structured clinical note instantly in your format every time. You can also set it as your default template, so every new report automatically uses your preferred structure without any extra steps. That's the custom template feature in MedTalk AI, built to fit your clinical workflow, not the other way around. Create your first custom template today, your documentation, your way.